Hi everyone, it's James. Today I have a true or false worksheet for your junior high. To say true or false in Japanese is Tadashi ka, Machigaiteiru ka. In addition, I would say Honto ka, uso ka. Allow me to read. 1. The USA is the biggest country in the world. 2. People from Brazil speak Italian. 3. Ducks have teeth. 4. Singapore is a country. 5. Pandas eat bamboo. 6. The sky tree is in Nagoya. 7. Koalas eat meat. 8. There are 1,000 years in a century. 9. Found is the past tense of find. 10. Penguins can fly. 11. Chocolate is important. 12. You treasure your parents. Notice that the vocabulary is simple and is based on their books. Go ahead and expand on the true or false questions. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.